Malatang, originating from the Sichuan region of China, is a popular street food known for its spicy and numbing flavors. The dish is a customizable hot and spicy broth into which a variety of ingredients like meats, vegetables, and noodles are cooked. The name combines two Chinese characters, mala, which translates to numbing and spicy, and tang, meaning soup. One of the key attractions of this restaurant is its customizability. Customers select their preferred ingredients from a wide array of options, which are then cooked in a spicy broth. This personalized approach ensures that each bowl is tailored to individual tastes. In this restaurant, they offer several kinds of broth. The chicken, oxbone, tomato, and mushroom are the non-spicy options, while the classic malatang, Korean, and laksa are the spicy ones. They also have the dry stir flavor. They have 5 spice levels to choose from. Get all the ingredients that you want, but if you plan to try other kinds of broth, make sure you don't get too much noodles for each bowl. Price is 1 peso and 30 centavos for each gram. I chose the oxbone broth for my first bowl and tried the dry stir for my second. A serving of rice comes with each bowl. While malatang can be quite indulgent, it can also be made relatively healthy depending on the chosen ingredients. Opting for a variety of vegetables, lean meats, and moderate spice levels can make for a balanced and nutritious meal.